Walls here. It is Thursday, and Thursday's DGP is all about identifying, or not identifying, but talking about capitalization and punctuation. So we have to identify the words in the sentence that need to be capitalized, and then see if there's any punctuation that needs to go in the sentence, and then what kind of punctuation we have at the end of the sentence. So first, the first letter of the sentence is always capitalized, and we mark that like that. So when you write the sentence out, you just put the 3 lines under the first letter. That means that that letter has to be capitalized. Then we just have to look through the rest of the sentence and see if we have any proper nouns or anything that needs to be capitalized. I don't see anything else, so we'll just deal with the T in the. Now the next thing we've got to do is add punctuation. This sentence is a declarative sentence. We talked about that on Wednesdays. So we're just going to add a period at the end there. Now, here's how you can use Wednesdays to help you. If I look back at Wednesday's DGP, I know that the 4 men worked hard to finish the job is a clause, as is their boss gave them a large bonus. So I have 2 clauses here, and I know that there are a couple of ways that I could connect clauses. I could use a comma and a conjunction. Now, I've got all the words here on the board. If I put a comma between these 2 things, I'm still lacking the conjunction. If you just use a comma to connect 2 independent clauses, you're dealing with a comma splice, and that's no good. So there's a specific type of punctuation that can take the place of a comma and conjunction, and that is a semicolon. So the semicolon is going to go in between the 2 independent clauses. Yesterday I identified this is an independent clause and this one, so the semicolon is going to go right there. So remember this, a semicolon takes the place of a comma and a conjunction. So instead of comma and, I just put a semicolon. You can't ever just have a comma in between 2 independent clauses. That's called a comma splice. All right, bring your DGP with you tomorrow, and we'll start diagramming this thing. Hope you guys have a good night.